everyone. Abby Allen, founder of GlueStick here, and I want to welcome you to this special sneak peek of GlueStick Town. This adorable map that you are seeing is about to be GlueStick's brand new homepage. And I promise it scales well at a variety of different size screens, including all the way down to a mobile phone. Now, as a mom, I know that the internet can be a difficult and a scary place for young children to navigate, right? I don't like to let my kid in ad ridden blogosphere of Pinterest, right? Trying to find ideas. I want her to have a safe and accessible place to be inspired by things that she loves, things that she wants to make, and the things that we already have in our home that she wants to make with. So that's why we at GlueStick designed a whole new search experience that makes exploration easy and fun for kids of all ages, even those who can't yet use a search index because they're too young to know how to spell. So this map is going to allow kids to move around it and tap any area on here to get a curated list of art, craft, science experiments, and all sorts of other fun projects that are sure to spark their creativity and put an end to "Mommy, I'm bored." Whether they want to find animal crafts at the zoo, like my little girl, or maybe they're really into cars and they want to make something, with wheels and a toilet paper tube down at the dealership, or maybe they want to pretend to be a public safety hero, or maybe they're really into mermaids or pirates, right? We have all of these really cool themed areas full of project ideas that kids can explore in a completely safe, very, very cognizant of children's privacy, no ads. This is a space designed just for them. Now, I am confident that GlueStick is the only app, heck, we're the only product on the market that is really taking the entire creative experience and trying to design it just for kids. We're putting together the finishing touches on our beta right now. And I'm super excited to announce that it's going to be launching within the next few days. If you are not on our beta list already, please go to gluestick.app right now, put your email on our contact us form, and you're going to be among the first to hear when we are ready to throw open the doors and let folks rejoin our beta and really start using this again. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram. We're going to post everything there as we get closer and closer to launch. Plus, we'll be doing a bunch more sneak preview videos like this of some of the awesome features that we have ready for your family to enjoy. Thank you so much for being a part of our journey. I hope you'll stay tuned for more of those fun updates and just have a ton of fun crafting. I can't wait to see what you and your family make together with GlueStick.